right, on this Ferrari, this is what they have for information. Here's your compressor, and they tell you it's Freon 12. And here you have 2.2 pounds, which is 1 kilogram. And they don't tell you that this is oil, but they say compressor, and it says 11 ounces. Because this is like a York or Tecumseh compressor, I automatically know they're talking about oil, because it's usually that 10 or 11 ounces was a complete system charge of mineral refrigerant oil. And what they're showing you here is taking off the bolt off the side, laying the compressor sideways, and then what they're doing is they're showing you put a dipstick in there that you bend at an angle. There's usually another photo to show you that. And then where they have these two little arrows and the little lines in between, they tell you how many millimeters, 38 to 40 millimeters up, that you'll measure the oil off the side of the case from the bottom when your dipstick touches down, and you measure up 38 to 40 milliliters, will tell you that your oil level is correct in your compressor. They didn't give you ounces, they give you milliliters, millimeters, so you're measuring height like a dipstick. And this is a copy of the Ferrari manual. And so always RTFM, read. And don't be one of the guys who squirt up the cans and circle jerk off in here and you know, grow hair on your palm of your hand. And if you look up in here, how nice. There's almost no room here. This was in the way for me to get here. And look at how hard they turn that rubber hose there. And it looks like it's eating in, it's rubbing right there. Oh, does that look like look at that oily look. Is that a rub through? Oh, we have a little oil right where it's bent. Oh, look right there. Little flex of the engine. Let's get close up. Right there, a little bit, but you should not let rubber bend that much at that angle. That should not be a bend like that. And then it's rubber hoses that will go all the way to the front of the vehicle. And then you have your condensers. Let's see, condenser or condensers? Which one is this? Okay, you see that little blower motor there? I think that's for the brakes. Okay, there's the condenser. We have 3/8 tube and bend. This is old. Oh, look at that corrosion. We have old school 3/8. We have two funky little fans. These should be upgraded, modified to today's standards. And then you have the other one, and that blower will have ducting that goes, I think, right. Let's see, where's that guy at? Oh no, they got it going somewhere else. I'm wrong. Oh well, I forgot what those blowers were for. Something for, I don't do enough of these. I only get a couple of these a year, different makes and models, but it's always cool to learn new stuff. And it looks like it's broken off its mount. Interesting. Okay, let me get back to work.